Hello, ODS fans. Ken how I said that name, ODS. It's Aldi's, but ODS. Just ODS sounds better. But Lewis is way into the toilet, and today is a video. We're going to open these and make a dream team. Well, it isn't going to be a dream team unless we get some bangers. And we're just going to make like a 11-a-side team. And it's just going to work that way. And let's play with Lucy's phone. Let's play Ryder. Catch up with you guys when Lewis comes in. He's here. He's here. That was the ball. Like switched it off for like 2 seconds. Right, who wants to go first?
You.
Right, I'm fine by that. Oh, Hendo. I'm pretty sure that's Hendo. Hendo Live. We don't really need them. They're just
Go to the other side.
We don't know.
The other side to us.
Oh, this could be good. Fernandinho. Pretty nice card there. There's Davies. It's Davinson Sanchez. Does it? Davinson Sanchez.
Davinson.
I bet you this is Renato. No, it's Narcisada. I don't know how to say his name. That sounds a bit racist, but that's his name. Sorry guys, my storage went. But the next player we're in oh, right, so Bardsley. Chobolo. He is quite good. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. King. Oh, that's next one. King. Ankle save the best gym to last.
Oh, I can't hear you go last.
Darren Fletcher, man of the match. And Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba.
Brilliant.
82 in defence. And
82.
attack.
Right, he's ready
That's
for
a banger. That is a banger. AKA banger. It's a banger, AKA banger.
I get Mark Hodgson from Huddersfield as my
paper kill.
Jan Vertonghen.
Who banger.
Michi Batshuayi.
Ooh, Batshuayi.
Cedric.
Oh, is it Renato this time? No,
Mesa. Glenn Johnson.
Glenn Johnson.
Whoever the heck that guy is, what's his name? Walters.
You've heard of him. It's Lackley. Oh no, I think it's
Leroy Fair.
oh, that's a banger.
And Adam
Lallana. Guys, change your plan. We're not making our 11-a-side team, but because we don't have a goalie,
So we're going to make a 10-a-side team.
no, we're just going to end the video.
No, we aren't. We're going to make a 7-a-side team.
No, you need a goalie for a 7-a-side
This
team.
guy's beast.
You need a goalie.
He's 88.
Right, guys, we're going to end the video here. All the S's.
Be